Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to download Netflix application for your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to download Netflix application for your Android device, first, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you do that, tap Open Play Store. Go to the search bar at the very top and type in Netflix and perform your search. Tap on the Install button right next to Netflix in order to begin your downloading process. Once the application is downloaded, tap the Open button in order to launch the app open. Netflix is a streaming service that offers a wide variety of award-winning TV shows, movies, anime, documentaries, and much more. Once you have the application downloaded on your mobile devices, you can now enjoy one of your favorite shows right from your mobile devices whenever you have an internet connection. That was how you can easily download Netflix application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.